In this video, I am going to discuss some very important sections of Bharatiya Sanhita, that is BNS, which are important for your university exams as well as competitive exams. So, friends, you need not worry during exam period because this video will help you to remember these sections very short time in a very short time. So let us start. Section 4. Community service introduced as a form of punishment. This is a new section which has been added in BNS 2023. It was not in IPC. Second is Section 210. Definition of gender expanded to include transgender individuals. This is also a revision because in the previous IPC Indian Penal Code, it was only this definition carries only male and female. Transgender were not included. So, under Section 210 of BNS, this has been included. Section 48 deals with abatement outside India for an offence in India. Abatement outside India for an offence in India. When an offence is done in India, but abatement is done outside, then this section is applicable. So, this is very important section. A question is generally asked. Section 63(2), it gives you the definition of rape. Section 69, sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means. Means by fraud, like false promise of marriage employment. So, this has also been modified in BNS. Section 70 relates to gang rape. Section 72, gang rape of a girl under 18 years. This has been well defined in BNS. Now Section 100, culpable homicide. Section 101, murder. Section 1032, mob lynching. New provision for murder by group on grounds of race, caste, community. This has been added in BNS Bharatiya Sanhita. Now, due to space problem, I have organized these sections in rows. So section 111 relates to organized crime. Section 112 for petty organized crime. Section 113 for terrorist acts. Section 137 kidnapping. Section 130 abduction. Section 143 trafficking of human or trafficking of persons. Section 152 Act endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. It replaces the previous IPC 124A, which was known as sedition. Section 303 relates to theft. Section 304 snatching. Section 308 extortion. Section 309 robbery. Section 310 dacoity. Section 318 cheating. Section 336 forgery and Section 356 for defamation. So major changes now, friends. Major changes or removals of some sections of IPC. Sedition has been replaced, which was under IPC 124A section, especially removed and replaced with provision focused on sovereignty of the country, sovereignty of India. Section 152. Adultery, IPC 497, completely removed as a criminal offence. Now adultery is not a criminal offence, it has been removed. Unnatural sex, IPC 377. Indian Penal Code has section 377, unnatural. Provision relating to non-consensual unnatural sex modified under new sexual offence definition. So friends, these are the sections which are very important, and normally questions based on these sections are asked in the examination, whether some sections in as in the competitive examinations they cite some example and they ask the section. Yeah, may ask the sections and to describe that section. So, and in university's exam, based on this sections, important questions are always asked. So you must remember these sections during your exam period. Now for quick revision, I have prepared a table. So offense, IPC section and now BNS. Murder. Murder is now under 101. Theft under 303. Cheating under 318. Defamation 356. Kidnapping 137. Abduction 138. Unlawful assembly 189. Common intention 3, 5. Common object 190. So this section have been modified in BNS, and now BNS is applicable, so we have to follow the BNS sections only. So friends, I hope these sections, which I think, which from my point of view are very important, may help you in memorizing and may help in your examination, whether it is a competitive exam or your university exam. Thanks for watching this video.